This is a video about custom medication frequency. Our previous medication frequency options might not have given you the flexibility needed for your patients. But worry not. Now, you can fully customize the medication frequency to match each patient's unique treatment plan. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. To get started, open the patient's profile where you want to update the medication. Next, go to the medication section. Click on the plus icon at the bottom right to add a new medication. Now, for dialysis-related medications, you have a new option. Click on the frequency drop-down and select Custom. A new section will appear where you can set a custom frequency. Here, you can choose the period unit by day, week, or month. You can then set the number of frequencies based on the patient's needs. If the frequency you entered already exists in the drop-down list, a red reminder will appear. Adjust the frequency accordingly. Once done, simply save the prescription and you're all set. Thank you for watching. Browse our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.